Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Wiha speedE 2. Before I open it up though, please remember I am not a trades professional, so I will just be going through what is literally in the box. So with that out of the way, let's open her up. Okay, first of all, I'm going to need to make a small incision. I don't really know where to cut this because I don't want to ruin the box, so actually someone started it for me already. It's weird because it looks like two boxes, but it's actually not. Nice. Okay, so what have we got in here? So this, let me have a quick look. So this is saying this is a SlimVario family member. So I guess what that means is all of the SlimVario bits that you might already own if you've already got a lot of the Wiha stuff, all fits in here, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't mean that you have to completely kick yourself out. Again, you've hopefully, if you're already into Wiha, you've already got a bunch of their stuff. What else have we got on here? My Wiha registration. Don't forget to register your products. Then we have the main event. Nice little toolbox. Just double check what else we've got. Instructions, more instructions. We don't read instructions. Please read the instructions. That's everything in the box. So we've got a mini L-box. I know for a fact, because we've done some work with Tony Martin from Wiha. He came in and demoed a bunch of Wiha products. I know that these actually stack, so if you've got any more Wiha L-boxes, they will actually clip together and stack up nice and neat. Let's get into this, guys. Let's get into it. And there she is. The speedE 2. Okay, let's go for the extras first. We've got a charger. No plug in here. It's USB. Who doesn't have a USB socket in the house nowadays? Or in the van or in the car or anything like that. We've got 2 bits. So these look like so we've got 2 SlimBits. One slimmer than the other though, and I imagine that is because the speedE 2 has more torque on it. So let's get this bad boy open. Let's get the battery. You've got 2 batteries, that's cool. So it comes with 2 batteries in the box, bang them on the charger. This is actually cool because we've got speedEs in the office and I've not seen the speedE 2 yet, so this is the first time I'm seeing it as well, guys. Okay. I think it's flashing at me because the battery is low, but we've got the speedE 2. I think it is flashing because the battery is low. speedE 2, we've got the thicker heads to handle more torque. It actually comes with a switch on it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm blinding myself. So we've got minimum torque, I think that's 0.4 Newton meters. And then we've got max torque, which takes us up to, what does it take us up to now? Minimum setting on the red bit, we have a 0.4 Newton meter power level. So perfect for, again, I'm not a trades professional, but being around Tony, he explained that it's like electrical terminals, light switches, things like that that need delicate touch. And then we crank it up to 11, or should I say 1 Newton meter by using the yellow bit and moving it up to max. You've got 1 whole Newton meter of power, and there you go. 2 speeds now. So there you have it, that is the speedE 2. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.